Bluetooth mode.
Today we're looking at another Bluetooth speaker, this time from Miatone. It's got 7 RGB colors and 9 lighting effects. Bluetooth 5.3, 24-hour playtime, IPX7 waterproof. It also has TWS pairing, where you can pair 2 of these together for stereo sound. It also has a bass boost and treble modes. It's got a built-in microphone. It also takes a micro SD card. It's got USB-C charging for stereo surround sound. Nice thing is this one's pretty affordable as well. It comes in 2 different colors, purple and black. So inside the box, you've got a quick start guide, customer support information. You've also got a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. As you can see, pretty small and compact. Almost fits in the palm of my hand. Over here on the side, you've got a silicone flap that opens for the USB-C charging and micro SD card slot. You can sort of see the 2 speakers there under the grill on the front. Has a nice texture there on the back. Then you've got your controls there along the top, power, volume buttons, and then you've also got your control for the lights. There's also some little rubber feet here at the bottom. Now just watch this thing power up. This is pretty sweet.
Bluetooth mode.
You can see the lights changing there around the speakers. Looks really nice in person. And you can tell how bright they are. They look really good even with all the lights on. I'm gonna go ahead and play a few different songs here just to give you an idea of what this sounds like. But so far I'm really liking what I'm seeing.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.